Hey, hello friends, welcome again. In the previous video, we have discussed about abstraction. In this, we will talk about encapsulation. This is the second major element of object-oriented programming. Abstraction and encapsulation goes hand in hand. We cannot use one without the other. Encapsulation basically provides a mechanism with which objects can interact with each other. And if you remember, we have already said that object-oriented approach is all about multiple objects interacting with each other and giving rise to the overall functionality of the system. So in this video, we will take a look at encapsulation in detail. So let's get started. Encapsulation basically refers to bundling data of an object, that is attributes, along with its methods, that is behaviors, in a class. So you can also define it as the process of defining a class. So abstraction identifies important attributes and behaviors, and encapsulation bundles them together in a class. Encapsulation provides us a mechanism with the help of which objects can interact with each other. While doing so, it ensures that the data within the object is safe and can only be accessed by the means of its methods. If, let's say, one object wants to access some data of the other object, then it will call some method of that object and it will get the data. It need not to know the implementation of that method. That means encapsulation hides the details of the implementation of an object. And this is achieved using getter-setter methods and access modifiers. Don't worry, you will get more clarity about access modifiers and getter-setter methods when we do the practical in upcoming videos. So at the end, this is how it looks. This is an object having data inside the variables, and they are surrounded by a protective layer of methods. No object can directly reach out to the data of this object. It has to call some method of it, which will in turn give the data. And this is done by making variables private and methods public. Take a look at this example. Let's say we are working on a banking application and we have three different objects: customer, account, and accountant. We have already performed abstraction and identified important attributes and behaviors for all of them as follows. Customer will have name, address, annual income, PAN number, and mobile number as the attributes, and apply loan and edit profile as the behaviors. Then account object will have account holder's name, account number, current balance, and interest rate as the attributes, and withdraw money, deposit money, and get balance as the behaviors. Similarly, accountant will have employee code, name, address, department as the attributes, and manage account and help customers as the behaviors. Now, in order to achieve any functionality, these objects need to interact with each other. Interacting means calling each other's methods. Without such interaction, no functionality can be achieved. For an example, when customer withdraws money from the ATM, he is actually calling withdraw money of his own account. If the customer goes to bank and deposits cash, now accountant will call the deposit method on customer's bank account. Then let's say customer wants to change his PAN number. He is not allowed to do so on his own. He need to visit the bank, ask accountant for help, maybe by calling help customer method of the accountant object. Then accountant object will check the hard copy of the customer's PAN card and will call edit profile method of the customer and will modify the PAN number. This makes it clear that the only way to achieve functionalities in the software is to make the objects interact with each other. Encapsulation sets up the rules for this interaction. By applying access specifiers, it ensures that no object can modify other objects' data directly, but the methods are publicly available in order to achieve the interaction. So as in conclusion to this video, we can say that encapsulation ensures the security of data and enables interaction between the objects. Thank you so much for spending some of your valuable time on my video. I hope it was worth, helpful, and knowledgeable for you. If you have liked the video, please press the like button. Do share it with your friends, and for more such videos, do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you.